Okay, today we are going to fix this panel for the fire alarm system. And as you can see, it was already being installed and fixed to the wall. Also, the power supply has been already terminated. The cabling is already inserted. Only remaining work here will be the termination and the connection. The battery is also available, ready to be connected. Also, the power supply for sockets are also available to be fixed. Now, we will be installing and fixing the smoke detector. The cable are already available, and also the alarm bell and also the call point. So, we will complete this today and we will make it work.